You know, I had this conversation with a few people before the World Series started, and here we find the Phillies there one more time, destined for a second World Series. We're looking at Philadelphia Phillies in 4 games up against these Yankees, but I think what's going to carry them through are the bats. 5 to 6 runs per game average. That's kind of tough to beat, especially when you get the kind of pitching we did last night out of Lee. We're looking forward to a good game tonight. Hopefully the weather will hold out. Should be a little bit cooler, but I don't think we have to worry about any rain tonight. So thank you all for joining up, and we're going to stick with our prediction. Philadelphia Phillies in 4 games, and they should be winning it at home this weekend. Look forward to updates right here on the Phillies 2009 World Series cause. And it's way back, deep left field. It's out of here. Philadelphia Phillies, 4 games.